Shifting focus, the investigation into the high-profile stabbing of Bollywood superstar Saif Ali Khan gains momentum. In a significant breakthrough, prime accused Mohammad Shariful Islam Shehzad was taken to the Mumbai police, to Saif's apartment, and later to Bandra railway station to recreate the crime scene. Police sources reveal the accused, who is a Bangladeshi migrant, was on the move after the attack, traveling to multiple locations and changing his clothes several times to evade capture. Investigations show that he arrived in Mumbai last September and had meticulously recce'd the homes of several celebrities in Bandra and Khar before zeroing in on Saif Ali Khan's residence, which he found to have easy access. Adding to the evidence, forensic teams have recovered 19 fingerprints from the Bollywood star's residence.
The prime accused in Saif Ali Khan's attack case, Mohammad Shariful Islam, was brought here at Saif Ali Khan's residence in the morning. I'm currently present here at Sadhguru Sharan, which is the apartment where Saif Ali Khan stays, and this is where the crime took place. Now, the Mumbai police in the morning at 5:30 a.m. brought Mohammad here to recreate the scene, the crime scene, and the recreation is very important to go for the advancement of this investigation. Now, where I'm currently standing is a gate that leads to the parking lot of this building, and this is the parking lot from where he entered. He was brought here and he was made to enter from exact the same entry that he took while he was planning on getting up to the 12th floor. Now, by using this parking lot, he managed to enter from the staircase, and from staircase he reached up to 10th floor. From there he used the duct area and entered the Jahangir's bathroom. Jahangir, the youngest son of Saif Ali Khan's, his bathroom was the place from where he managed to enter his apartment. And after attacking from where he escaped, from exactly which route he came out and managed to enter, was also recreated here. Now, in this scenario, the crime recreation, which is also called as crime reconstruction, taken place here at Sadhguru Sharan apartment. This becomes very crucial. At this crime recreation, the accused is made to stand at the exact same spot. This is to understand the exact crime sequence, how he managed to enter there, how he attacked Saif Ali Khan, and what was the victims, what was the Saif Ali Khan's reaction on it. Now, how the both people fought after fighting, how he attacked Saif, how he stabbed Saif.
All right, now we're crossing over to my colleague Rucha, who actually gave us that ground report on this crime scene recreation. Rucha, when we talk, let us know about the next steps in the probe, because when we talk about the crime scene recreation, I think one key takeaway is going to be the answers that were found during this crime scene recreation.
Well, as of now, the prime accused, Mohammed, is currently at Bandra police station. Now, the recreation is done and Mumbai police has taken him to various locations. He was spotted at a garden at Bandra. After changing his clothes, he was sleeping at Bandra's garden. He will be taken there as well. After the recreation at Saif Ali Khan's apartment, he was also taken to Bandra police station to understand what route he took, how he walked towards the railway station, and after that, how he reached Bandra and the other locations that he was caught at. Now, there are few things that takes the Mumbai police beyond Mumbai. Now, as we understand that he was a Bangladeshi citizen, he crossed the border illegally, and what we know as of now is that he used Dauki River to enter the border, to cross the border, and came in Meghalaya. After that, what was his route, how he planned to come to Mumbai, how long he was working here, and mainly the exact spot where he was caught at the CCTV he was captured in. He was taken to the exact location.
Absolutely, Rucha, thank you so much for joining us and getting us those key details. We'll continue to track the developments here.